Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line. Their part number 1040010. This is a box of 100 clear plastic key identifiers with split key rings. So this is what it looks like. This is a box of 100. This is what's called a display box. You will flip the top open and you will just sneak this tab down behind here. Then this portion flips up and gives you a display is what it is. So here are the tags, box of 100. Now the tag itself is, this part number represents not only the tag, it also represents the quantity that it's sold in. It represents the packaging that it's in. It represents the construction of the key tag in relationship to the split key ring. So let's tackle all that. First of all, they've got this at 15/16 and then 2 1/4. That's to the end of the tag, but with the ring you're closer to about 3-inch overall length. You will just remove that split key ring, where you can then push the paper out, identify it, slide it back in, then reinsert the key ring. That's a 7/8 nickel-plated tempered steel split key ring, which is typical and common for this. Durable, transparent tag for key identification, luggage. This is very commonly used. That paper insert slides out easily. Now, I indicated earlier that the part number tells you how many, the color, the box that it's in. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page on our site where you can view not only all the Lucky Line products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the catalog. Now, when you review that catalog, something I do all the time is search the catalog by the part number. So you can search for 1040 and then find the page where this material is located. The point of doing so is you'll see how that part number is changed when you want to infer a variation of quantity, of packaging, or of color. So of the 10400, and keep in mind this has a 10 at the very end, the 10 indicates the fact that these are clear. If you change the 10 to a 30, it'd be blue. To a 40, it would be green. To a 50, it would be orange. To a 65, it's purple. 68 is magenta. 70 is red, and 80 is yellow. But when you look at that table, you can see you can get you can buy just 2 of these that are assorted colors. You can buy a jar of 50. You can buy another jar of 100 assorted colors in both. It will also show you what the part number is if you want just a box of 100 of these, like for a true display situation, but assorted colors. You would simply drop the 10 in the part number. It also gives you how many the order multiple is and then how many are in a case. If you're a distributor, we sell these to local hardware stores and the lock shops, and they say, just give me a case, whatever's in a case. I know I'm going to need all of them. So that's information is there for your use. Now, the name Lucky Line is synonymous with all things key management hardware related, not only key identifiers and key tags in a variety of different applications, but they're going to have key rings, the small giveaway style key rings, all the way up to the 6-inch pull-apart jailer style key rings. They're going to have a variety of novelty products in the sense that they're unique. They will have fobs, they will have flotation style key identifiers, spring style wrist coils, lanyards, paper key tags. What's interesting is they can do custom printing on practically everything that they sell. So if you want your company name and phone number on key tags, that's easily something they can do. And speaking of key tags, everything as it pertains to paper, plastic, aluminum, brass. They have their line of what they call twisty style key rings, which are their aircraft cable style. So they're comprehensive. And if you have more than the occasional need for key management hardware, Lucky Line is the name, the largest name in terms of broad spectrum availability. Now, while they're not the only company that manufactures key identification hardware, they are the biggest in my experience. So, if you have any questions on the Lucky Line 1040010 box of 100 key identifiers in clear, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.